Here's how to download Ajazz keyboard software. Go to the official Ajazz website. Hover over Download at the top and click Software. You will see a long list of keyboards with available drivers, manuals, and software. Use the search bar to type your exact keyboard model, for example AK820, to quickly find the matching software instead of scrolling through multiple pages. Click the driver or software option for your specific model and download the Windows version. It will download as a zip file. Open your Downloads folder, right-click the zip and select Extract All, then click Extract again. Inside the extracted folder, you may find another compressed file. If so, extract that one as well. Once fully extracted, double-click the installer file inside and it will begin installing the software and drivers for your keyboard directly onto your computer. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.